No one said that the path is going to be easy, and it's not. You see, we know life is rough, and we know without a doubt there will be pain. Whether that pain comes at the hands of an enemy, or at the hands of nature, or time, or disease, there will be pain. That's the way life is. You have been disappointed over and over and over again. Every time you try, nobody notices. Every time you try, you come up short. Sickness is cyclical. It comes around, it goes around. You're well for a little while, and then it's the same thing all over again. But this time, it's only worse. Because now, not only are you back where you started, but you have less hope that it's ever going to be different. Because you've cycled through it one more time just to realize, well, I guess I'm just a cynical person. Well, I guess I'm just a negative person. I guess nobody in my family was meant to go to college. Sickness becomes normal to you, and it starts to feel easier to just accept the condition than to challenge it. Because challenging it means risking disappointment. Some of us have tried, got blocked. Tried, got blocked. Tried, got blocked. And now people look at you and assume you don't care. No, I care. I cared, and I cared so much, but they didn't care back. I tried so hard, and I still got looked over. Don't you know it's hard when your expectation has been damaged by disappointment? It's a slow damage, a slow tearing of the muscle fibers, a slow deterioration of your hope by disappointment. It's not one event that creates it. It's over and over and over again. I tried, and I tried, and I smiled, and I stayed, and I disciplined, and I showed up, and I didn't care. And the man finally gets to a place where he is simply tired of trying. You might even feel like there's no hope, but you know what? It doesn't matter. Keep fighting. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger, but that doesn't happen on its own. You have to choose to get stronger. Keep fighting. Keep going. Don't give up. Because the only real failure is actually giving up. And if you don't give up, you will win. See, life is rough, ladies and gentlemen. It's rough. Things are going to happen to you in life, ladies and gentlemen, but that's okay. I can't change what happens to me, but I can change how I respond to it. I can become upset, nervous, tense about it, weak about it, or I can say, it's okay. Don't go through life feeling like you're powerless. Victims are people who believe they are powerless. You're not powerless. You are powerful. You direct the power in your life. Whatever your life is right now, it's a duplication of your consciousness. It's the result of how you have decided to use your power. That's all it is. That's not who you are. That's just a distorted use of your power, a version of it you're not satisfied with. And you've got the power to change that. But you don't know what has happened to me. It really doesn't matter what has happened to you, because the only thing that matters is, what are you going to do about it? That's all that matters. That's all that matters. No matter what you do to me, how cold and careless you are to me, your lack of compassion, your lack of sensitivity, how cruel you might be to me, you're not going to change me. There are some things I went through this year that I didn't like. There are things I went through that hurt. They hurt like hell. I'm not saying I would have chosen them if I had been given the opportunity, but now that I've been through it, there is something I learned through what I went through that made me who I am. There's a purpose for it. I'm not a hostage. You have to make a decision that every experience is your education, and you're going to discover the opportunity for you to grow, for you to get better. I'm telling you, I've already made up my mind. I know I will fall down. I know I will stumble, but I already see myself getting back up. Therefore, I'm never down. I'm either up or getting back up. I will learn from this thing, and so will you.